Hello, my name is Gareth Ford. I'm the Business Area Manager for the Sensor and Safety team. Today I'll be introducing to you the Smart-VS Sensor from Datalogic. The Smart-VS is a sensor that sits between a standard photo sensor and a simple vision sensor. The sensor can be used for applications where you want to carry out simple presence and orientation checks. Typically, the sensor is connected to a PLC and gives feedback to the machine control system. So first we have the sensor itself. So packaging, really great how it comes packaged, really secure. We can take that out of here. So in the box there, we get the sensor itself, a bracket, some mounting screws, and basic instructions on how to configure the sensor. Also, we'll need the connection cable. So we've got an X-code connection cable here to an RJ45 that can be plugged into a computer. And also there's a M12 17-pin connector. You also may need to use a trigger sensor, and this is just an example of a trigger sensor there. Some of the key features of the product are the touch button on the top here with 5 status LEDs. It has a powerful white LED illuminator, red and green spot indicators for good and bad reads, an electronic focus, and the M12 connectors here on the back where you fit the connection cables. Applications where you may see this sensor used are food and beverage, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals and other industrial applications. It can be used for label presence check, cap presence check, cap orientation, bottle orientation, or just simply checking printing. We'll now move on to the demonstration of a simple setup of how the sensor works. Now we're going to look at a basic application using the web server. Setting the sensor can either be done using the web server or directly on the button on the device itself. So we need to open the software here. Give the job a name, so we'll call this OEM Demo 1, and select one of the 5 banks of where we want to set the program to create the job. We now need to go to next to the acquisition phase. So we're going to look for the good read here. So we're looking for the cap to be closed on the bottle here, and we'll teach 3 times here to give 3 good reads, and then move to the acquisition of the no good read. Here we'll change the position of the cap to be in a bad position, and we'll teach here again 3 times. And then we'll train the whole program. We're now ready to look at the actual capture of the images. So we can bring the cap into the good position first, and using the trigger sensor on the demo kit, we can read the position and see if we get a good or bad read. So that's out of the field of view, so we need to just move that back slightly, and we're getting the good reads there. And then if we change the position of the cap again, where it's not sitting flush, and that can then tell us if we've got a bad read. If you want to find out more about this sensor, please contact a member of the Sensors and Safety team here at OEM Automatic.